Welcome back to Growth Gurus, where learning never stops. In today's video, we have an exciting book summary lined up for you. We'll be delving into The Compound Effect, The Formula for Success by Darren Hardy. This book offers valuable insights and practical strategies to help you harness the power of small actions and consistent habits to achieve remarkable results in your personal and professional life. So, grab a notebook and pen as we dive into this enlightening book summary. The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy is a game changer when it comes to understanding the principles of success. The book revolves around the concept that small, consistent actions, when compounded over time, lead to significant outcomes. Let's dive into the key takeaways from this impactful book. Key takeaway number 1: The Compound Effect. The compound effect is the principle that states that small, everyday actions, when consistently pursued over an extended period, lead to substantial results. It's not about making grand gestures or waiting for overnight success but focusing on the power of consistent, incremental progress. Number 2 on the list is the power of choices. Every choice we make, whether big or small, has a compounding effect on our lives. By making conscious choices aligned with our goals and values, we can create a positive trajectory toward success. Number 3 is habits. Our habits shape our lives. By developing positive habits and eliminating negative ones, we can transform our behaviors and areas, ultimately our outcomes. Small habits, when practiced consistently, accumulate into significant long-term results. Number 4 is tracking progress. To leverage the compound effect, it's crucial to track our progress. By monitoring our actions and their impact and their areas, we can make adjustments and stay on course. Tracking allows us to identify patterns and areas of improvement and celebrate milestones along the way. Number 5 is momentum. The compound effect thrives on momentum. Once we establish positive habits and start seeing progress, the momentum builds, and our efforts become more effortless. It's important to stay committed during the initial stages to build the momentum necessary for long-term success. Number 6 is environment. Our environment plays a significant role in our success. Surrounding ourselves with positive, like-minded individuals who support our goals can amplify the compound effect. Conversely, negative influences and toxic environments can hinder our progress. Number 7 is the mindset. Adopting a growth mindset is crucial for leveraging the compound effect. Embracing challenges, learning from failures, and continuously seeking improvement are essential components of a growth mindset that fuels success. Number 8 is leveraging time. Time is our most valuable asset. The compound effect highlights the importance of using our time wisely, investing it in activities that align with our goals, and eliminating time-wasting behaviors. Number 9 is patience and persistence. The compound effect is not a quick fix, it requires patience and persistence. Success may not come overnight, but by staying consistent and with perseverance, we can achieve extraordinary results. In conclusion, The Compound Effect, by Darren Hardy is a must-read for anyone seeking personal and professional success. By understanding and applying the principles of the compound effect, we can make small changes that lead to significant transformations in our lives. Remember, success is not an event, it's a process. By consistently taking small steps forward, embracing positive habits, and making intentional choices, we can unlock the tremendous power of the compound effect and create a life filled with success and fulfillment. So, go ahead and start harnessing the formula for success today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Growth Gurus where learning never stops, and hit the notification button with more insightful content. Thank you.